Today I will be playing some lip slurs from the range and flexibility section of the book, Recipes for Success. The first exercise is on page 56. These lip slurs are to be played with all the different vowel combinations, but right now I will just play a few on the open F horn. The next exercise is titled Harmonic Slides and is found on page 60. Mrs. Houghton has her students play each group in one breath, sliding through the harmonic series as smoothly and evenly as possible.